Most crypto investors experience a bull run once in their life and walk away with nothing to show for it. Prices go up 10 times, their portfolio looks incredible, and then, almost overnight, it's gone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a bull run into real, lasting wealth, not just numbers on a screen. A bull run is a sustained period where crypto prices rise sharply, driven by new money flowing in, media attention, and growing confidence in the market. Bitcoin leads, altcoins follow. Everyone starts talking about crypto at dinner tables and family group chats. This is the signal. The bull run has begun. Meet Alex. He bought a small amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum 12 months ago, quietly, without telling anyone. He set it up, automated it, and forgot about it. Now his portfolio is up 60%. His phone is lighting up with notifications, and for the first time, he's smiling every morning. Then his friend calls. "Have you heard about this new token? It's going to be the next big thing." Alex feels it, that pull in his chest, the fear of missing out. FOMO is the single most dangerous emotion in a bull run. It makes smart people take stupid risks, and it always arrives right before the top. Here is the rule that separates winners from losers. Set your profit targets before the bull run peaks, not during it. Decide now. At what price will you sell 25%? At what price will you sell another 25%? Write it down. Lock it in. Because when the excitement is at its peak, you will not be able to think clearly. Alex does something most people never do. When his portfolio doubles, he sells 25% and moves it to stable assets. Not because he thinks the bull run is over, but because locking in real gains is how you guarantee you walk away with something. He still has 75% riding the wave, but 25% is safe. Forever. Weeks pass. Prices keep climbing. News channels are talking about crypto. His neighbor asks him how to buy Bitcoin. This is the euphoria phase, the most dangerous part of any bull run. When everyone is in, there is no one left to buy. The top is close. Alex checks his targets. 2 of them have already been hit. Alex sells another tranche. His friends think he is crazy. "It's still going up," they say. But Alex knows something they don't. You never sell at the exact top. That's impossible. You sell on the way up, and you sleep well at night. Regret comes from holding too long, not from selling too early. Then it happens. A major piece of news hits. Sentiment shifts overnight. Prices drop 30% in 48 hours. The group chat goes silent. His friend who bought that new token, down 80%. Alex looks at his portfolio. He is still up, significantly, because he took profits on the way up. When the market turns, cash is king. Alex moved his profits into stablecoins, not fiat, not spending money. Stablecoins sit ready, earning yield, waiting for the next opportunity. This is not giving up on crypto. This is playing the game at a higher level, protecting gains while staying inside the ecosystem. Bear markets create the next bull run's winners. While others are panicking, Alex is building a shopping list. Which assets does he want to accumulate at lower prices? Bitcoin, Ethereum, 1 or 2 high-conviction altcoins. He sets buy targets below current prices and activates his DCA plan again. Patient money always wins. Rule 1. Always set profit targets before the hype peaks. Rule 2. Sell in tranches, never all at once. Rule 3. Protect gains in stablecoins and re-enter during the fear. These 3 rules will not make you rich overnight, but they will make sure you are still in the game and still ahead after every single cycle. Most investors do the opposite. They hold through the top because they want every last percent. They watch their gains disappear. They sell at the bottom out of pain, and they swear off crypto forever, right before the next bull run begins. The cycle repeats. Only the disciplined ones build real wealth. 1 year after the bull run, Alex is in a completely different position to his friends. He locked in real gains. He re-entered at lower prices. His portfolio is larger than it was at the peak because he followed a plan, not his emotions. Wealth is not built in a bull run. It is protected there. You do not need the next bull run to start preparing. Set your targets now. Build your positions now. Decide your profit take levels now. When the market moves, and it will, you will be the one with a plan. Subscribe to my channel for one crypto investing strategy every week. The next bull run is coming. Will you be ready?